Welcome to our visual exploration of TV stands through time. In this video, we'll take a look at the evolution of TV stands, from classic designs to contemporary innovations. Sit back and enjoy the journey. From the elegant wooden TV stands of the past to the sleek minimalist designs of today, TV stands have undergone a remarkable transformation. Each stand tells a story of its era, reflecting the changing tastes and technological advancements of the time. As we zoom in on these TV stands, notice the fine craftsmanship and attention to detail. Whether it's the ornate carvings of a vintage stand or the seamless integration of technology in a modern design, each piece represents a fusion of art and functionality. Today's TV stands are more than just furniture. They're smart, versatile solutions for organizing and enhancing your entertainment space. With built-in storage, cable management systems, and adjustable shelving, these stands are designed to meet the demands of modern living. As we conclude our visual journey, we invite you to appreciate the timeless appeal and forward-thinking ingenuity of TV stands. Whether vintage, contemporary, or cutting edge, each stand has left its mark on the ever-evolving landscape of home entertainment. Thanks for joining us on this visual exploration. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, happy viewing.